This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 10. And one small information today onwards, I am going to start a Azure administration batch, Azure administration with Azure PowerShell. That is at evening 8:35 p.m. That is a regular timings. But directly I won't jump to Azure Cloud. Here I will cover the Linux basics, and then after networking and Active Directory, Windows Active Directory. Then only I will start the Azure Cloud. I will start the Azure Cloud. So it is a almost 3 months journey. Today is the first session for that. Right. So yesterday we started a concept of the comparison operators. There we covered equality based. There are 6 operators are there: greater than or equal, less than or equal, especially which works on numbers and date time format. Here one small logic: when we work with the date time format, we have to not we have to, it will work based on the next second onwards. For example, if you take greater than, next second onwards, greater than or equals means include the given second, include the given second. Okay, now we will see some examples. Okay, example number 1: find all the processes of the process, find all the objects of the get process where any object start time is after the 7 p.m. Sorry, 7 a.m. IST. I mean, you can take today's date, 1st December 2022, 7 a.m. This is my requirement. Means if you take the, I think already console is there. Here, if I execute get process, we are getting the result. Now, it is nothing but .exe files. Process nothing but it's a .exe files. I want to list out all the objects, but that object should be started after 7 a.m. of the today's timestamp. But really there is no property, default property will not help for our requirement. See, if you take one object, the one object corresponding properties are available on the screen. But there is no property will not help us. So next time you have to do the filtration, just use get member. Is there any property to do the time related one, to fit the, see, we need to concentrate on the properties. Is there any property to related to timestamp? Then after it will give the start time or not, that is secondary. Is there any property will give the start time information?
Yeah, we have a one property with start time.
Start time and start info is there. First I will verify this one whether it is working or not. That's why what I will do, I will select one object. Okay, then after I said this another method, no, that is absolutely best option. See, the one object information, the one object really it is seeing one line in the screen in the table format, default format. But when I try to print the same one object in the list format with all properties, see, there is a one property is there, start time. See, start info is different, start time is there, start time information is there. Advanced one, you can also print FL time property, all properties. Instead of FL star, you can print FL space wildcard time star wildcard, nothing but time wildcard, nothing but it will print all properties which contains time keyword in their property name anywhere containing. Okay, now we can say here one word, this is a hidden property starter time. Okay, my requirement is greater than 7 a.m. of the today's timestamp. Yes, how to write that one? Get process, where if an object, filter script. Come on. After 7 a.m. started objects I want to get. Can I write start time? Is greater than or equals or greater than 7 a.m. Can I write in this way? Is it correct? Please confirm it.
Yeah.
By default, it's a 24 hours clock. So these all objects are started. For example, I will take 8 o'clock. Maybe it is very less. See, very less. It is very less. For example, if I'm giving only 8 o'clock, will it work? Yes or no? If you are not providing hours, date, minutes, seconds, what it is the output? For example, if I'm not providing any timestamp, what is the default hours, minutes, seconds?
0, 0, 0.
Right, 0, 0, everything will come. And then after I want to print that objects with my desired properties, not this default one. What should I select as another command? I don't want to print the default properties. I want to print process name, handles, start type, start time. I want to print that headers. I want to get these 4 objects.
We can use select command.
Select object.
Select type an object, parameter property, process name, and the next one is a handle,
Handles.
start time.
CPU.
Just use the tab. You can also arrange this data in ascending order based on the, for example, okay, I will take
Start
the
object.
Start command. Start.
property start time. Okay, question number 2. In application container of the get-hyphen event log, print all the log files which are generated from the 1st December 2022. I mean, from today onwards, I mean, morning onwards created log files I want to get. First observe here, when I try to print the log files, this is a log files are there. Now see, time is a one property, December 1 created log file. These log files. So I mean, when we execute application container, latest date to old date, all log files will come. But my requirement is I want to print exactly which are generated from the application container, which are generated from morning or from today onwards. What is the property name we can able to see on the screen? Even timestamp is there, date is there. Okay, short way is there, but we can understand this one. But greater than or equal to, I can apply that one. See, so many objects are there. Is it right? What should I write the property name? What should I write as the property name for my requirement? Value is perfect, sir. This is a value. You don't worry about the value.
Can you
Timestamp
scroll up?
dot.
Can you
Okay,
scroll?
what is the
Can you
operator?
check that property name? Can we check?
Greater than. Am I right? Am I right? Greater than or not? Greater than or equals or not? Including that second.
Greater than equal to.
How many objects we have? Is it so many or 0? How many log files are there which are generated on 31st of December? Just we saw the screen. What is that? How many are there? Is it 0 or more than 1? More than 0?
It should be more than 0.
More than 0.
See the result. So it is empty. What is the reason?
The time property should be.
Absolutely. Property name is whatever we are seeing, that property name is may not be original name. Blindly go to the second method. Rajesh, yes. Application. One object, that one object information I'm printing detail way. Otherwise, here also time related is there, no? Just print a time star. Now tell me which is a suitable one. Both are same, but the time generated is a original
Time
one.
generator.
Yes, time generated is a modified time. Just if you change in instead of time, just write a time generated, we will get that objects. These are the objects. You can also find the count by using measure-object. Measure-object, it will give the count. And even we can print one day log files also. Like I want to print a 1st November log files. That 1st November is between 2 days. It is 31st October, after 31st October, before 2nd November. Definitely, that is also possible, but here we need to understand one concept, that is a logical operator.
Hi Naga, why time is not giving that output and why only time generated is giving that output?
Yes, the thing is, it's good question. Whatever we are seeing as a properties on the screen, that is not even 100% always not available as a version name. See, these are the properties we are seeing. Time is it is available on the screen, but really when we see when we use get member, see the time is a property. Good. Now if I take one object, get event log name equal to application, if I take, and I'm using get member, one second, select one object. See, same one object purpose I am using. Now is there any index property in this list? In this list, is there any index property? Index is there?
No.
Yes, it is there. It is index is there. The properties. Entry type is there.
It's there.
Entry type somewhere. Yes. Source is there. Next one. Source. Yes, sir. And instance ID. Right.
Is there.
Message. But tell me about time is there.
It's not there. The time return and the time.
So whatever we are seeing, that is the short name of the original property. Either this one may be time generated or time return. So that's why we are using method 2. Now tell me now yes, Rajesh. Is it sorry, Bhaskar, is it correct one? Time is correct?
Yeah, right.
What?
We can choose any one of them.
Yeah, actually time generated only. When you use FL star, select one object FL star, then we will get the property values. From that we can select the required one. But only 1% we have this type of headers. But this type of headers only we will get the subject. That is also one thing. Okay, next one. We will take one more thing. Okay, related to, these are the related to greater than and less than. Especially we need to focus on the apart from numbers, date time format is important. Numbers is very easy, and we know how to pick up the hidden property also. So then the next one is we are going to see match operators. We are going to see match operators. Right. See, sir, is it everything is perfect in this area?
Yeah.
About operators. Ganesh, Karthik, Madhav, Naresh, please confirm it. Still, you need any example on any operator or any format? Okay. For example, if I give an unknown command, how much we can do that? For example, get a SQL database. 1 second, it is in. Okay. Now I want to see what are the hidden properties for one object. Take one object. Is there any property related to timestamp or other thing? FL star I am using. So many things are there. Is there anything related to timestamp? Only version AI related information is there. Space available.
We have more property here.
So many are there. Even how many are there?
Measure.
Okay, measure will give to you only one. Already we selected one object. No, it will give only one. Already we selected one object. Okay, 1 second. I want to give you one more example. Okay, some unknown command I am giving here. You don't worry about this command. Whatever that even they are using Chinese application also, you don't worry. I'm using one concept. Just I'm printing for your understanding purpose. This is the data. Even it is in bytes also. It is highly impossible. Again, space information. Okay, let it be. I will use normal commanded examples. Get artfix. Is there anything? Already date format, we did so many things. So greater than particular date, for example. Okay, I will take this one. Greater than, I want to get all the patches information, installed patches information, which are applied after 1st November or from the 1st November. So installed on greater than or equals to 1st November 2022. Simple. See. These are the log files which are applied after the or from the 1st November. So this is about the 6 operators. So here please remember, final conclusion I am saying here, your equal operator and not equal operator, these two are, it will not work with, won't support wildcard character. Why? Because upcoming sessions you are going to do small mistake. That's why I'm writing this word. Next one, based on the matching operator, equality is over. Based on the equality, we covered equal, not equal, and less than or equals, greater than or equals. Especially these two will work, strings, numbers, and date time format. Here these will work on strings, numbers, and date time format. That's all. And we know here we can write C not equal and C not equal. C equal, C not equal. Now it is a matching. There are 4 operators we have, like, not like. Biggest one is a match and not match. Take the very first one, like operator. So in the filtration, if you want to use like operator, first of all, it supports wildcard character. First point. Already we know how to use the wildcard character in 4 ways. Wildcard character, so we can use in 4 ways that are, first one is a starting with keyword star and ending with star keyword star, and the next one is a containing star keyword star and exact one. So no wildcard, without wildcard we have to use. See, simple, starting with ending with, simple thing. For example, print all the objects of the get-process, get-service where display name property value starting with a remote keyword. Remote is a word, remote is a keyword. Now tell me, what is the commanded in this expression? What is our required property name and which operator we have to use, and what is the syntax? What is the commanded?
Get service.
Get service. What is the required property? Main commanded.
Display name.
Name. Required operator starting with is there now. So when if you heard a word starting with or ending with, blindly come to the like
Remote star.
That's remote star. Remote star. So when you get any question starting with ending with, blindly you can come to the like operator. See, get service where -object and filter script $_ display name like remote star. You should write in single or double quotes and see the result. One minute, I have some disturbances. Wait 1 minute.
Naga, I think you are in meet.
Yes, guys, please do this assignment for you. Please do this one. And this is a small assignment, you know. Same thing here also, one more example, same display name property, but the question is ending with service keyword. Yes, Rajesh. Sanchit, I received the answer from him. First from the Rajesh. Yes, like the service, correct. Sanchit, Perfect. Simple. Good. But sometimes dot 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 also there. You can able to see that one dot dot dot. Don't worry. How to see the remaining data? Yes. Dot dot dot. I received only 2 answers. One is Rajesh, another one is Sanchit.
Naga, I run the command, but I don't see output. Just
Could you
executes.
send me good, good. Santosh, please paste that command later or expression in the chat box. I will verify. That is the best
Sure.
thing to you will get that answer. I mean, from the mistakes only we will get a lot. Okay, Hari Reddy for display name like right. Raghav Reddy is good. Good. Raghavendra Reddy is correct.
Any mistakes here?
Yes, star is missing. My question is ending with, no? Ending with. So, what is the syntax ending?
Okay, okay, got it, got it.
So, and one more thing, service is my keyword. You used like remote, just write wildcards service. Prasad, perfect.
Yeah, I got the output. Thanks. I filtered
Okay,
with
sir, please send.
SY, and I got sync system assessment. Okay, I got it. Thanks.
Right. Umesh, filter script like perfect as for display name service. No, 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 no. As per you are using in reverse order, not service star. Observe the line number 39, ending with the remote. Sorry, ending with service. You should write star service.
Yeah, I corrected it again. So yeah, got it. Thank you.
I'm coming one by one. Raj.
Yeah, here is the output. I pasted. Got it.
Yes, yes, right. Okay. Now one more question. After second one is related to ending with service. Third one, take any directory on your system, like example H drive. Sir, this is for you. I mean, you can take any drive. For in my situation, I am selecting H drive, right? List out all the files and directories with a recursive option. Now, then find all the objects which are having the extension as .pdf. Extension means endings are simply, again, don't get any confusion here. Ending with, simply ending with file name ending with PDF. That's all. .pdf. That is a simple question, but indirectly I provided that. Karthik getting an error. Why? What is it? Karthik, you are not writing service, star service in singular double quotes. You have to write. Yesterday only I said in curly braces, even the word not containing space also we have to write in singular double quotes. Right. Please do the third one. Please practice from, I mean, analyze that one. Take get child item is a commandlet only. There is no big things here. Get child item. By default, there is a one property is their name. $_name like star.pdf. That's all. Everything I said here. get child item. For example, you can take any directory that is not only H drive, but should take with recursive option. Yes, I received answer from Hari Reddy. Okay, like you will get only name properties also. That is also one thing. Only name property values only you will get in the result, not object names. Sanchit recursive name property like yes, ending with PDF. Okay, now over whatever that. Maybe you may not have that extension. This is a one we have to work with. Sir, please, we have a total 22 members. The 22 members, I am getting the response like 5 to 6 members only. Okay, see again, sir. Now see from this one, I'm using, you can use backtick operator. It is nothing but continuation of the line. So pipeline I mean, if you are not interested to maintain same line, okay, one line expression only, but seems to be like a one lengthy line, 1 kilometer lengthy line it is taking, right? So if you want to continue the same line, continuation line, if you want to maintain in the next line, yes, Ganesh, it is correct. See, just use space backtick. Pipeline after backtick operator, under escape keys there, there is a tilt operator is there, shift tilt operator and backtick operator is there. I mean, left side keyboard under escape key, we have this operator. So without shift, directly if you press this one, you will get this backtick operator. Please remember space backtick operator you have to use. Space backtick operator, enter. Now I'm writing here. What is that filtration? Var object. Yes, filter script, curly braces, $_ name ending with dot PDF. This is my question. Karthik, right? Karthik, perfect. See. So maybe I don't have any objects. I think so. No, I think some objects are there. Yes, I have some objects in some C drive I provided here. Yes, based on the provided drive, I have that objects. What is the error? The error is nothing but it is a file access control is there. That's why it is giving, it is a denied error only. It's the sensitive files are there. ACL's concept. Take one more question. Take one more question. Take one more question. The third one is over. Take the, sir, very carefully, take the, I won't give even single hint also. Take the first 100 log files from the security container of the get event log, and then print all the objects which are starting with the keyword in their message property value. So this is our required one. Message is the property name. So, but I want a smart answer here. You can use basic method, advanced one, advanced two. First take 100 log files, then after work with message property, which is starting with the keyword. Right? You can verify and you can analyze that result. But container name is security. Yes, sir. I want to get the answer with one pipeline. I should not use more than one pipeline. I mean commandlet one, only commandlet two, only two things, only one pipeline. I should not, I don't want more than one pipeline, but I want to receive the table result. Little tricky question, sir. You can use any method.
So getting access denied.
Please log in with administrator. Rajesh, I received one answer from Rajesh. Exactly, Rajesh. Super answer. Perfect. But only small mistake starting with the keyword, no? THE star only, not containing. But your logic is excellent. This is my desired. I want this logic only. Except that everything is correct.
Only one pipeline to use.
Yes, exactly. Yes, one pipeline.
Security.
As for your excellent, but all 100 objects having the keyword in the message property or not? Please ask for. Please
Yes,
unmute and
yes, sir. Yes, sir. All of them are having the property.
yes,
The
you
keyword.
are right. But my requirement is take 100 objects, then in that 100 print that objects which contain the keyword. Is it clear? Take first 100, in that 100 which are containing message keyword. But your logic is good. Really, your logic is good. Sanchit, yes, perfect answer, Sanchit. Without mistake, that is correct. Yes, even Rajesh also. Yes, yeah, okay, right. Concentrate even on basic method also. For example, take first 100 log files. How to print it? No need to go to the select hyphen object first 100. Especially get hyphen event log having a parameter newest. I mean, see, get hyphen event log name equals to security. Newest is there. Newest 100. That's all. Newest 100. You can observe 100 objects are there. Even directly message property also there, but see, newest 100. In this 100, you can do the filtration. In this 100, where message property is starting with the keyword. One second, I'm unable to see the screen. And that's all. The keyword here and the keyword is not there. I'm selecting instead of an I'm selecting an. No problem. Whatever the keyword, this is the result. Even directly, yes, this is directly in first 100 objects. If you want to print which contains the basic method, this is a property name and parameter concept. Property name and parameter concept. This is also correct. But all these 100 objects having an keyword. This method, it will give 100 objects which contains an keyword. But in our question, first taking 100 objects, in that we are printing which contains an. I mean, there are 4. But basic method also. But absolutely, which is the best method to solve that one? Basic or advanced? For example, I want to print a name property starting with WinRM. Name property starting with WinRM in the get hyphen service. For example, this is my question. Yes, Raghavendra Reddy, it's correct. But starting with the star, THE star, Raghavendra Reddy. The star, not star, the see, listen carefully. WinRM, this is the result. Same thing I can achieve in the advanced method also. Okay, in advanced method, see, same one, filter script, sorry, where hyphen object, filter script, dollar underscore dot, Name property starting with WinStar. Yes, WinStar. Yes, same result or not. Now tell me which is the best option in these two methods. Which is the best option in this? Both.
Basic one.
Yes, 200%, not 100. 200% basic is the best one. Why? Because
No latency.
no latency.
Less
Why?
latency.
Directly it will objects, it will printed with which are starting with WinRM. Directly printed on the screen. But here, first the result will be printed and every object is processing to second commandlet as an input. In upcoming days, there is a one commandlet is there. Time to find out the execution time. For clarity, I'm just using, you can use measure command, not measure if an object. Measure command is a one command. It will give the execution time. So it is completed 15 milliseconds. 15 milliseconds it is completed. Come to the second one. It's the first direct basic method. If you come to the advanced one, this is advanced one. No, just use measure command. Measure command. Just write in the curly braces. Now, just closely observe. 1 second we can divide as 1,000 milliseconds. It took only 15 milliseconds. Which one? Basic method. And here it is 39 milliseconds. It's a matter of single server, but if you work with multiple servers, definitely in the domain environment on I have a VMware setup. There we have to check these things. So first priority always we should give to basic only. Santosh is correct. But one problem with basic, all solutions are not available. But whatever we have, that is in low latency. Yes, whatever I'm using here, ask the same. Alphabet A, what is measure command? What it does? So instead of get-help, you can use help also, sir. What is the difference? If I use get-help, see the thing? Same total help document, we are getting end of the page. But if you use help, measure-object, measure-command, you will get the page-wise display, like more command in the Linux. So just press enter key. Next line will come. Q for quit. From any point, if you want to quit, just press Q. Measure the time it takes to run script block or command. I mean, what is the short description? Synopsis is nothing but short description. Q for quit. So I am using help, but what is the help? Ask the same thing. Get command, alphabet A, what is the help? It is a one of the function. Yes, you can take the help document also. Get-help, tell me about help. Indirectly, it is linked with one of the commandlet only. I am providing tell me about the help, but indirectly it is giving get-help only. So if you want to launch in a new window, use show window parameter.
So it's just like a alias for get-help.
No, not alias. It is a function. Alias is different. Function is different. You can ask, what is there any alias? Alias is different. Definition of the so it is very clearly saying that one there is no alias. Functions we can create with the help of the PowerShell commands. Functions we can create with the help of the PowerShell command. It is our upcoming topic of functions. There we can create our own command later. Okay, now tell me, like operator supports CLike? CLike will work. CLike will work. Your operator is working on which, sir? This one. What is this? All the things. Is it strings, WinRM? What is this? Is it strings or not?
I don't think CLike will work because like is comparing.
Definitely it will work. Your like operator works on. See, your like operator works on. Again, I'm writing strings, numbers, and datetime format. So one of them string is there. Definitely it supports CLIKE. CLIKE starting with case sensitive. For example, is there any created document from our end? I think yesterday we have one document is there. Where we have that one? I think in an E drive. Okay, I'm going to display this data. Okay, here I want to print all the objects which are starting with domain name starting with small d. Small d. Is it correct? Is it small d or all d's are there? I mean, domain name starting character I'm talking.
Days.
Yes, you see. All d's are there. Now, case sensitive is there or not now? Small d only. So that what made already we know starting ending things, but one important point is line number 47. Most important one. Okay, if I am using wildcard, without wildcard, if I am using, just come from outside of this one, get service, I'm using like operator. In the value, I'm not using any wildcard. I'm writing only win or what is your expected objects? Or I'm writing only win. See the value I'm not using any wildcard character, only win only I written. Not star win star win star win star. No wildcard in the value of the like operator.
Exact match.
Absolutely exact match. Okay, here if there all objects we will get which contains win keyword. I'm right, but there is empty. But if I use win or exact match is there or not? Name property value starting here, not starting exactly. Now tell me what is the behavior actually this operator we are getting the result. Actually this behavior is belongs to which comparison operator?
Like.
No. We are getting the like without wildcard which works like which operator? Yes,
Equal to.
right. Equal to. That's very simple. It is equal to nothing but your equal operator. So like operator without wildcard symbol in the value, which is nothing but your equal operators, your equal operator. So that's why I written a word here. It supports on strings, numbers, datetime format. Numbers also it supports. Why? Because exact match only, no? See, for example, I am selecting here get process where if an object filter script $_ handles equal to or like 0. See, same result we can get with equal operator also. So if you learn equal operator, one of them is if you learn the like operator, same like operator fourth behavior which is equal to your equal operator. And it supports C like also. C like case sensitive like also it supports. So this is about the like operator. Next one is a not like operator. This one we will see tomorrow. Tomorrow I will start the match operator also. It will take some time. Thank you. I will stop here. We will meet tomorrow.